horizon, where imagination becomes reality. Humanity unlocks the impossible. Artificial intelligence, quantum computing, cities of tomorrow. The future is no longer coming, it is already here. Every invention, every breakthrough, every dream, a new chapter begins. Future unlocked. The world is changing, technology is evolving, and we are witnessing history. Future unlocked. Discover tomorrow. Today. Smart civilizations, energy without limits. From Earth to the stars, the next revolution has already started. Future unlocked. The future belongs to those who dare to imagine.